After reading hundreds of owner comments and talking to mechanics, here's what I found about the Nissan X-Trail from 2015 to 2022. One of the most commonly reported issues with the X-Trail during these years is the CVT transmission failure. Several users on forums like Reddit and Nissan forums mention jerking when accelerating, sudden power loss, or a strange humming noise while driving on the highway. One owner on Edmunds said, "The transmission started to shake like it was slipping, and shortly after, it stopped shifting properly." Specialized technicians agree that the most common cause is overheating of the CVT system, either due to lack of maintenance or poor heat dissipation in the design. In some cases, Nissan issued technical bulletins recommending a software update or even a complete CVT replacement. The safest solution, according to several mechanics, is to change the CVT fluid more frequently than the manual suggests, especially if you drive in hot climates or often carry heavy loads. Another headache is the air conditioning system. Many owners have reported that after just a few years, the AC stops cooling properly. On Copilot search, one person wrote, "I had to recharge the gas after 3 years, but it failed again soon after." When checked with technicians, the most common causes are slow leaks from the compressor or evaporator, and sometimes a faulty pressure sensor. While there's no official recall for this, several repair shops have pointed out it's a frequent issue in models between 2016 and 2019. The fix can range from a simple recharge to a full compressor replacement, which isn't cheap. A third recurring issue is premature wear on the suspension bushings, especially on the front control arms. Many drivers report a clack-clack noise when going over bumps or turning the steering wheel. One Nissan experienced mechanic said, "It's almost a given with the X-Trail. The bushings crack pretty early, even before 60,000 kilometers, about 37,000 miles." The problem seems to stem from materials that don't hold up well under heat or moisture. While there's no official campaign, some dealerships have replaced the parts under warranty if reported within the time frame. The recommended fix is to inspect those bushings every 20,000 kilometers, around 12,000 miles. And if there's play or noise, replace them with higher quality ones. Some aftermarket brands are known to last longer. The electrical system also comes with a few annoying quirks. Among the most common are issues with proximity sensors, the push start button, and the power windows. On nissanclub.org, several users mentioned the keyless system acting up, sometimes failing to detect the key even when it's right nearby. One person wrote, "Sometimes I have to literally touch the button with the key for it to work." Technicians say this is usually caused by modules that lose programming or internal antennas losing sensitivity. It's not a serious issue, but it can be frustrating and sometimes expensive to diagnose. In some models, a simple reprogramming fixes it, but others may require replacing the entire keyless entry module. Lastly, we can't ignore the high oil consumption in some engines, especially the 2.5-liter version. While it doesn't happen in every case, several owners have noticed their oil level drops faster than normal. A Reddit user shared, "Every 3,000 kilometers I have to top off the oil, and there are no visible leaks." This could be due to piston rings that don't seal properly or a PCV valve design that lets oil pass into the combustion chamber. Although Nissan hasn't officially recognized this as a widespread issue, some mechanics recommend monitoring your oil level frequently and using higher viscosity oil if you notice it's burning too quickly. In severe cases, internal engine repair may be necessary.